love cluster lashes, so let's do some right now. Look at all of these. I got this from Temu. I love Temu because it's so affordable. I love how this set is double-sided. You buy cluster lash kits and it only comes with like this many. Like a booklet of them is amazing, and I have different sizes and thicknesses. I love it. They come in different sizes, so the ones here at the bottom are longer than the ones at the top. Sizes are here. There's like 16, 14, 12, and 10. So I'm gonna start with the longer one. Also, using tweezers really helps more than using your fingers. But I'm starting with the longest size lash, and I just stick it on underneath my lash line. I'm not setting the clusters on top of my lashes. I'm literally putting it underneath my lash line. And I'm also starting on the outer corner of my eye. I'm gonna do the same size, which is 16, and put another one right next to it. Moving on to size 14, I'm gonna place one right here. I'm just working my way in. So far, this is what they look like compared to the side that don't have any lashes yet. Using another size 14 and placing it right there. I like to use the longer lashes in the outer corner of my eye. As I work in, use shorter lashes so that I get like a cat eye effect. And now I'm taking a smaller size. This is the size 12, and I'm gonna place it right here. That's as far as I take the lashes. I don't put any lashes here. I just let my natural lashes shine. Sometimes I'll take my finger and kind of just press up to make sure that they're secure. You could also take your tweezers and like clamp. I'll put a little lash map here so you can see the sizes that I used. I used a total of 5 clusters. Wearing your lashes underneath instead of on top is gonna make them look so natural. As you can see, you can't see any lashes. And I feel like cluster lashes are way more comfortable than strip lashes. This is what my eyes look like with the cluster lashes, and this is what they look like without.